Throughout its years in service, the Stryker's undergone various survivability upgrades and received kit applications designed to improve the vehicle's ability to withstand attacks. The Stryker, first fielded shortly after the turn of the millennium, is an 8-wheeled, all-wheel drive armored combat vehicle produced by General Dynamics Land Systems and based on the Canadian Light Armored Vehicle 3. The Strykers are lighter and faster than Bradley fighting vehicles or M1 Abrams main battle tanks. They can be delivered via C-5 Galaxy, which can carry 7, C-17 Globemaster 3, which can carry 4, or C-130 Hercules cargo planes, which can carry 1. The Stryker family of vehicles is built on a common chassis, with some variants having different mission equipment packages. There are 18 variants, 10 flat-bottom variants that include the M1126, M1127, M1128, M1129, M1130, M1131, M1132, M1133, M1134, and M1135. 7 double V-hull variants for the following: infantry carrier vehicle, mortar carrier, commander's vehicle, medical evacuation vehicle, anti-tank guided missile, fire support vehicle, and engineer squad vehicle. And an additional configuration of a modified infantry combat vehicle platform integrating a 30mm cannon. M1126 infantry carrier vehicle. The basic armored personnel carrier version, which provides protected transport for 2 crew and a 9-man infantry squad and can support dismounted infantry. It weighs 19 tons. Communications include text and a map network between vehicles. Models with the double V-hull upgrade are known as the M1256. The M1126 Stryker has a Protector remote weapon station with a universal soft mount cradle, which can mount either a 50 caliber M2 Browning machine gun, a 40mm Mark 19 grenade launcher, or a 7.62 by 51mm NATO M240 machine gun. It's also armed with 4 M6 smoke grenade launchers. M1127 Reconnaissance Vehicle. The M1127 Reconnaissance Vehicle is a wheeled armored personnel carrier in the Stryker family. It's in service with the U.S. Army. A version used by reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition squadrons and battalion scouts moving throughout the battlefield to gather and transmit real-time intelligence surveillance for situational awareness. The M1127's purpose is to anticipate and avert threats, improve the brigade's decisiveness and freedom of maneuver. M1128 Mobile Gun System. The 8-wheeled Stryker configuration carries a General Dynamics 105mm tank cannon and a low-profile, fully stabilized shoot-on-the-move turret. The main gun provides direct fire in support of infantry, engaging stationary and mobile enemy targets such as bunkers to create a combined arms effect of overmatched firepower that improves the survivability of the combat team. The 8-wheeled Stryker can fire 18 rounds of 105mm main gun ammunition, 400 rounds of 50 caliber ammunition, and also equipped with M6 smoke grenade launchers. It operates with the latest command, control, communications, computers intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance C4ISR equipment, as well as detectors for nuclear, biological, and chemical weapons. The Mobile Gun System vehicle is a strengthened variant of the Light Armored Vehicle 3 compared to the standard variant other Stryker vehicles are based on, but retains commonality across all vehicles in the family. The M1128 Stryker was retired at the end of 2022, due in part to the expense and difficulty of maintaining and upgrading the autoloader. M1129 Mortar Carrier. The M1129 Mortar Carrier is an 8x8 wheeled armored mortar carrier of the Stryker family of combat vehicles. It's in use with the United States Army. Models with the double V-hull upgrade are known as the M1252. The M1129 is fitted with an M121 120mm mortar. It fires a full range of ammunition, including high-explosive, precision-guided, dual-purpose, smoke, illumination, and infrared illumination shells. This mortar fires from the mounted position within the vehicle. It fires through roof hatches that swing open at the top of the vehicle. Additionally, they carry the 81mm M252 mortar that can only be used in a dismounted capacity.
Fire!
M1130 Commander's Vehicle. The M1130 Stryker is an armored command vehicle based on the Stryker platform. It's used within the brigade to provide means to receive information, analyze and transmit data, and control forces carrying out combat missions. Models with the double V-hull upgrade are known as the M1255. The M1130 provides an operational platform for elements of command within the Stryker Brigade combat team. It has the ability to access aircraft power and antenna systems to plan missions while en route aboard aircraft. M1131 Fire Support Vehicle. The M1131 of the Stryker series provides automated enhanced surveillance, target acquisition, target identification, target tracking, target designation, position location, and communications functionality. Targets will be transmitted instantly to the fire support system and shooter. Models with the double V-hull upgrade are known as the M1251. M1132 Engineer Squad Vehicle. M1132 is the combat engineering variant of the Stryker wheeled armored fighting vehicle. Models with the double V-hull upgrade are known as the M1257. Its purpose is to transport and support combat engineers on the battlefield. The vehicle includes obstacle clearing and lane marking systems, as well as mine detection devices. The engineering vehicle is based on the infantry carrier. Its most distinctive feature is a mine clearance blade. It's most often towing a wheeled trailer loaded with additional equipment. The vehicle is capable of clearing mines on paved surfaces and some rubble clearance. Other mobility tasks can be completed by the mounted engineer squad with the tools on the vehicle and trailer. M1133 Medical Evacuation Vehicle. The Medical Evacuation Vehicle are assigned from the Battalion Aid Station for battalion-sized units and dedicated to each of the company-sized elements of the unit and provide treatment for serious injury and advanced trauma cases. Models with the double V-hull upgrade are known as the M1254. The Medical Evacuation Vehicle is the primary ambulance platform in units equipped with the Stryker family of vehicles. M1134 Anti-Tank Guided Missile. M1134 ATGM vehicle is a U.S. anti-tank missile carrier that's an armored fighting vehicle from the Stryker family of vehicles. The M1134 purpose is to provide the brigade's main tank-killing capability, firing heavy anti-tank missiles to defeat enemy armored vehicles at range before the enemy tanks can return fire. Models with the double V-hull upgrade are known as the M1253. The General Dynamics Land Systems Remote ATGM system for tracked and wheeled infantry fighting vehicles evolved from the Elevated Tow System. The ATGM weapon system gives tow missile capability to today's infantry fighting vehicles. The ATGM weapon system has a two-tube launcher and elevated mast extending half a meter above the chassis. The crew of 3 is under armor at all times. The ATGM provides maximum crew protection when operated stealthily using terrain and other structures to provide masking and protection. The ATGM weapon system, through the employment of current sighting technologies, enables the use of the family of all tow missile types. M1135 Nuclear, Biological, Chemical Reconnaissance Vehicle. The M1135 provides nuclear, biological, and chemical detection and surveillance for battlefield hazard visualization. This vehicle automatically integrates contamination information from detectors with input from navigation and meteorological systems and transmits digital NBC warning messages to warn follow-on forces. The core of the NBC-RV is its onboard integrated sensor suite and integrated meteorological system. An M1135 positive overpressure system minimalizes cross-contamination of samples and detection instruments, provides crew protection, and allows extended operations at Mach 0. As of 2010, the U.S. Army does not plan to field Stryker double V-hull versions of the NBC-RV. This is America's M1296 Stryker 30mm infantry carrier vehicle. The Army's continued to update Strykers over the years. In 2017, 2 new Stryker variants were fielded after a 2-year initiative designed to give them far more firepower and engagement range, qualities deemed necessary to confront Russian armored vehicles equipped with heavier weapons than the infantry carrier vehicle's 50 cal machine gun. One of those new variants, dubbed the Dragoon, like its 2nd Cavalry Regiment owners, was armed with a 30mm Bushmaster cannon. The design also uses the latest tech from other Stryker models, including the suspension from the Double V ambush and mine-resistant Stryker's hull and mature combat system components. In April 2021, the Army fielded the Mobile Short-Range Air Defense M-SHORAD variant. In October 2021, General Dynamics Land Systems announced a formal partnership with Epirus on a drone zapping Stryker variant that would integrate Epirus's Leonidas high-power microwave weapon into the vehicle. That vehicle, dubbed the Stryker Leonidas, passed a key test in October 2022, according to Epirus, disabling drones and swarms of drones.